Welcome to Module 5 of the CompTIA Tech Plus course at Modesto Junior College. This week we'll shift into the foundational world of networking. We'll look at how devices communicate, the essential components that make up to a network, and why networking skills are critical for the IT careers. This module combines both conceptual understanding and practical applications, so you can confidentially recognize how network function in real-world environments. This slide outlines all the topics we'll cover this week. We'll begin with networking basics and number systems, then build deep into concepts like data transmission, wireless networking, virtualization careers, and a final quiz. This week also includes a discussion post, weekly online meeting, and a real-world application activity meant to strengthen your mastery of these concepts. Our objectives this week are to understand the foundational network concepts, practice numbers, system conversations, explore how network operates, and analyze wireless and virtualized environments. You will also apply concepts to real-world scenarios and begin exploring career paths within networking. By the end of this week, you should have a strong foundational support to support further study and certification preparation. For this week's discussion, you will apply what you have learned to a realistic networking situation similar to what you might encounter in an entry-level IT role. You will evaluate a small business network environment, identify issues, and propose solutions. Engaging with your peers helps you see multiple approaches to the same problem, which strengthens your troubleshooting skills. Lesson 5.0, Networking. Introduces the basics of networking, how devices connect, the role of switches, routers, and access points, and why network matters in home business and education. Understand the different types of networks such as LAN, WAN, and PANs set the stage for deeper networking concepts we'll cover through this module. Binary and hexadecimals might feel abstract at first, but they are essential because all network communication relies on these number systems. You will practice translating between binary, decimal, and hexadecimal, and learn how these conversions apply to IP address, MAC address, and subnet mask. Mastering this lesson will make future networking topics much clearer for you. In this lesson, we'll expand on key networking terms and functions. We'll talk about protocols, bandwidth, latency, and network topologies. This is also where you learn about IP and MAC addressing, routing switching, and the difference between the OSI and the TCP IP models. These concepts form the language of networking. Think of this lesson as learning the alphabet before building a full sentence. The lesson dives into how data actually moves across the network. You will learn about packet creation, routing, and delivery. We look at how switches handle traffic at layer 2, how routers operate at layer 3, and why packet switching in the modern standard. We also explore essential services such as DNS, DHCP, NAT, and subnetting, all of which make networking functional and efficient. Here, we examine the wireless side networking. You will compare Wi-Fi standards from 802.11a through 802.11ax and understand the difference in speed, frequency, interference. Also discuss WPA2 and WPA3, the current standards for wireless security. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to set up and secure a small wireless network effectively. This lesson explores virtualization, which is now a core part of the modern networking and cloud environments. You will learn how hypervisors create virtual machines, how virtual switches and VLANs move traffic between them, and technologies like SDN and cloud networking provide flexibility and scalability. Virtualization skills are increasingly important in the IT role. In lesson 5.6, we shift focus to career opportunities. We'll explore roles such as network technician, administrators, analysts, and engineers. You will learn what skills these roles require and which certifications. like Network Plus, Security Plus, or the Cisco CCNA. Can support your professional advancement. This lesson helps you connect coursework to your long-term goals. The Module 5 quiz evaluates your understanding of everything we have covered so far. Expect questions and binary conversations, networking fundamentals, wireless standards, and virtualization. This quiz helps reinforce key concepts and prepare you for certification style exam. Be sure to review the lessons and ask questions during our online meetings before taking it. Our weekly online meetings are held Friday and Saturday and provide an opportunity for real-time support. During these lessons, we'll review difficult topics, answers, questions, and walk through practical examples. Your participation supports the RSI requirement and ensure that you will stay engaged and confident in this material. To succeed this week, I recommend you reviewing your notes daily, practicing, submitting, and using flashcards or ShareMaster quizzes for reinforcement, joining study groups, and attending live meetings. Here we summarize the major themes of Module 5: numbering system, networking fundamental, OSI and TCP/IP models, wireless technology, and virtualization. Understanding these topics forms the foundation for deeper networking skills you will encounter later in the course. Take time to review notes before moving into the quiz and upcoming modules. Congratulations, module complete. You have covered all the significant amount of foundation materials. Take a moment to acknowledge your progress and prepare for week 6. We hope you continue building your networking knowledge. If you have any questions or need support, make sure to reach out during office hours or our next meeting. Thank you.